Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, February 9, 2023. Yesterday was an inside day in the markets, meaning that the entire range of the day fit within the prior day's range, and we closed down near the lows of the session. I'm going to be using those two pieces of information for today's video, and I'm going to be using all four instruments or setups based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, this morning, we are seeing the markets move higher in the overnight session. I'm going to go to the opening filters and add that by clicking on Gap Up here. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the Price Patterns library, and I'm going to grab those two pieces of information from the Active Today section that yesterday was an inside day, right there in the Candlesticks library, and we closed near the lows of the session, closing the bottom 25% of the daily range. I've got both of those added. Next thing I want to do is put us in a similar market environment. Yesterday closed above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. I've grabbed both of those, and now I can click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are gapping up and the prior day had an inside day that closed near the lows of the session and in a bullish market environment. Historically, just 18 samples of this pattern in the S&P, only 13 in the NASDAQ, 22 in the Dow, 14 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates on them, S&P coming in at 61% of these closing above the opening print for the day. The NASDAQ 62%, the Dow 41%, the Russell 57%. If we look at the average moves, very similar in size here for the S&P. The NASDAQ has a larger average win. The Dow has a larger average loss, and then the Russell very similar in size. So we're pretty mixed there on the average moves. Nothing really stands out there, but three of the four instruments have closed above the opening print more often than not, with the NASDAQ and the S&P being the strongest there, around 61%. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.